Hey Amazon shoppers, today I will review the Magic Bullet NutriBullet. My wife and I really love this product. It's very compact in size and very easy to use. This has definitely helped us be more healthy because we can make our favorite fruit smoothies to stay um, refreshed during the day and cut down on junk snacks. Also, we can make soups and a lot of mashed vegetables, potatoes, etc. It is super easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and it also comes with this lid, but also has another lid that has a rim on it, so you can actually drink through it. Um, we've had this for a couple of years, and it's held up super nice. We use it on a weekly basis, and I really recommend this and give it 5 stars. Um, NutriBullet really did an amazing job with this product. It is not too um, excessive in terms of sound. But then again, it is a blender, so it's not super quiet. But I mean, we love it. It works.